Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify this given fraction that involves exponents. And here we got the problem. And now we are going to simplify this 100 power 100 divided by 50 power 50. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here I have just copied down this problem right up here. Now let's focus on these numerator 100 power 100, and I have just copied it down right over here. Now let's go ahead and manipulate this number. I can write this 100 power 100 as 100 power, this 100 could be written as 2 times 50, isn't it? And now we are going to use this power rule, and according to this rule, I can write this one as 100 power 2 and then power 50. Does it make any sense? And now this 100 power 2 could be written as 100 times 100. We're going to multiply it twice and then power 50. So now I can replace this numerator by this number. Let's go ahead and do that one. So that is going to give us 100 times 100 power 50 divided by, our denominator is going to stay same. Now let's use this formula right now, this rule, and according to this exponential rule, I can write this one as 100 times 100 divided by 50 and then whole power 50. And here inside this parentheses 51, and this reduces to 2. So that is going to give us 2 times 100 is going to be a 200 and then power 50. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 200 power 50. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.